Hey folks, welcome back to Muscle Cars of Texas. I know we've done a couple of videos on this frame before, but we're really knocking it out of the park. This freaking thing looks so great. The stuff that we're doing to it, I mean, four-wheel disc brakes, the plumbing that we're doing right now, as far as the brakes, fuel lines. I mean, we got the back end is done. This is a new differential. The rear rotors and brake assemblies on the back end. But look at the bending and whatnot in these, in all these brake lines. I mean, how nice is that? I mean, it just makes the project look so much better that you could actually show this car if you wanted to from underneath. How cool would that be? But that's what we do. That's the quality that we do. That's what you get right here at Muscle Cars of Texas.